Okay, hi everyone. Any problem related to your retest or maybe any problem with your previous subtopic, please WhatsApp me, or maybe after our class finish, we can stay and have a discussion Q&A session with me one to one. Okay. Now we need to speed up and try to finish our module 4B by today. So as I already mentioned last time, if you still remember, there is a SOP. Where is my pen? There is SOP and also POS. And normally, all our Boolean expression last time. Good morning, doctor. I join your class late. Okay, some of your friend cannot join. Some there is like wait, okay. Some of you might join us late and some cannot join. There is like family matters. So here we're going to focus with our Boolean expression. Last time we normally use SOP. What is SOP? Go back to your previous slide. We know that SOP is sum of product and POS is product of sum. So you can see product term. What is product term? Product term is a term with the product, which is Boolean multiplication. You can see this is multiplication. So this is a product term. This is a product term. Multiplication.
Huh? Yeah.
Multiplication. And while for your sum terms over here, it is a term of sum, which is Boolean addition. Sum term from Boolean addition. So that's why you can get SOP is your sum of your product, which is your product. You sum all. And another one is sum term, which is you have a product of sum. So there is several example. Last time we have already take a look, which is under SOP. If let's say you have two or more product, terms are sum, which is you have one and two. Over here, this is a product. This is a product. At least two product you sum together. This one is three product you sum together.
Doctor, sorry
Yes.
for interrupt. I think some of the classmates cannot enter because you didn't accept them.
Um, it is supposedly auto. No, I think see supposedly it's auto like that. Okay, let me continue. So you can see for SOP, it is happen when two or more product. You know, as product term is a multiplication of your uh, booleans, multiplications of your literal. So you can see over here, this is one product, this is another product term. So you sum two of these product term. At this example, it is a three product terms you add together. So SOP can also contain a single variable. But what is a single variable? Means that you have A, B plus B plus C. So this is a single variables. As long as you add those. This one is like A dot B, which is a product terms, A dot B. While B over here, it is a single variable, but you can know that, okay, B plus with 1. So 1 can be like A plus A bar. So this is 1. So this is still a product term. SOP, a single overbar cannot extend over more than one variable. So you can see, but more than one variable can have overbar. You cannot have this single overbar over more than one variables. Let's say you have A, B, which means that you have two variables. It's mentioned not more than one bar. So you can see you have one single bar, but you have two variables. But one variables can have an overbar. You can see over here, one variables overbar. So you need to solve your long overbar here using your De Morgan theorem to be like this. So the example for your SOP, this is your example circuit. If you compare to POS letter, you're going to see for starting you have A dot B, which is AND gate, B dot C dot D AND gate, A dot C is also AND gate, which is your product term is multiplication. So that's why it is a SOP. And of course, it's going to start with AND gate, AND gate, AND gate. And followed by, because it is a sum of product, right? So you're going to sum all, sum will be adding, add. So that's why you have another one is your OR gate. This is how your SOP going to be look like, your circuit. So there is example. Did I shows you how basically the convert to SOP? Did I show you the example of this last time? Minggu lepas saya dah bebel dekat section 09. 09. Kenapalah suka bagi you punya lecturer ni bercakap sendiri? Ada orang ke tak ni? Ke saya dah terkeluar dari Google Meet? Tak nak bercakap. Lain kali kalau you all tak nak cakap, saya keluar dari kelas ni senang sikit kot. So you boleh bercakap sesama sendiri. Kenapa lecturer tu keluar? Boleh kot macam tu. Just tolonglah, just tekan aja you punya mikrofon tu dan cakap. Pernah ke, tak ke you tak tahu, tak ingat lah. Just janganlah sunyi sangat dekat dalam kelas ni. Pelik lah saya kenapa you all tak nak bercakap. Ada emas kot suara you all. So convert the following Boolean expression to SOP form. So let's say you were given with this example number 1. You have, this is a one product terms, and this you can make it to be, yes, 1, 2. Two product terms. You have AB plus BCD plus BEF. So this is the SOP. And later if we can, like, you need to convert it to be standard, then you can do what? So please try to do so. And over here, this is still not yet to be a SOP because you have the plus and then you multiply over here. This is what? POS. If you still remember, look back for your POS, how it's going to be look like. It's look like this, which is additions, and you're going to multiple all. So you're going to, okay, you're going to multiply with one by one. You have AB plus AC plus AD. And add with BB plus BC plus BD. So all together, you're going to like summarize it. You're going to get your SOP. And another one, this one is bar bar bar, which is too many bar. You cannot have over bar over several variable, right? So it's going to be A plus B bar plus C bar. You're going to do De Morgan theorem. So from this De Morgan theorem, you're going to convert to be A plus B bar dot C bar. So I'm not going to show you like varies one by one, because this one is already done several times and we took so long to do this. After that, you're going to get A plus B dot C bar. So how you going to convert, because this one is not a sum of product. So this is still under SOP. That's why you're going to do it as AC bar plus BC bar. Then it is a SOP. So it asks you to convert these all three Boolean expression to SOP. Try to do so because I already showed you all. If you have any question, just interrupt me, okay? So this is the explanations how you get example 1, example 2, and example 3. So now, after you take a look into your SOP, you also need to know what is POS. POS is when you have two or more sum term. You know, sum term is additions of several variables, and then you multiply them. See, you multiply them. So this one is having two sum term. This is one sum term, two sum term, three sum term. You multiply it together. So it's called as a POS. Similar to SOP, POS also contain a single variable term. A single overvar cannot extend over more than one. Cannot, okay? So you cannot having more than one variables. You can have this overbar, but you cannot have a single overbar continuous with several other variables. So you need to use the De Morgan theorem to change to your single overbar for your single variable. Now, you can see implementation of POS expression. This is your POS. Your POS, you have additions, addition, and you're going to multiply them together. So addition is OR gate, OR gate, OR gate, and the answer you're going to combine together to be a multiplication, which is AND gate. So from here, you can see the difference between POS. This is our PLS. And if you have your SOP, I just follow the similar, okay? A dot B plus with B dot C dot D plus with A dot C. So your SOP will be A B B C D A C B C D A C. Oops. So all a AND gate. And your answer, your total answer will be OR. Then you have your x equal to AB plus BCD plus AC. So you can see the differentiation between this SOP and POS. So any question for this POS and basic SOP before we're going to go to deeper?
No question, doctor.
Okay,
No question,
thank
doctor.
you.
No question, doctor.
Okay, now we're going to look into standards of Boolean expression. This one, we're going to apply several rules, but we already fixed. So then you can like apply only. Don't need for you like to, oh, what's rule? I'm going to use. It is really easy for POS. You're just going to apply one rules, which is rule number 6. While for POS, you're going to use two rules, rules number 8 and rule number 12, to convert it into your standard form. What is standard form? Standard form means you need to have all variable in one, like product terms or in your sum terms. Can see, where is it? Okay. Standard SOP or POS, you need to have all variable in each product term or sum term. So example, let's say you have A plus B, C plus D plus AB. So you can see this is SOP because you already know how SOP look like, how POS look like. So from this, you need to convert this, we call as a product term, right? This product term, this product term, this product term, and this product term to convert to the standard form, which is need to have all A, B, C, D, because you have B, C, D, and also A. It's not going to like directly you letak je the variables. You cannot do that. Instead, you're going to multiply with the rules number 6. If let's say over here, if let's say you can see we only have A, so we need another input variables B, variables C, and variables D. So you do it one by one. First, let's say you have A over here. A you want to include with B variables. Then you apply rules number 6. This you change to B, this you change to B, you're going to get equal to 1. Let's say you put over here, you multiply with B plus B bar. Why we use B plus B bar? First, because we want to include this variables B in this product term. In this product term, which is A only, we want to include B. So we multiply it, A multiply with B plus B1, because this one is referred to 1. A multiply to 1, you're going to get A also. Similar, 7 multiply with 10. 7 will multiply with 1, you will get 7. 100, you multiply with 1, you will get 100. So any variable, if you multiply with 1, you get the similar value. So that's why you multiply with 1. So you're going to multiply your A with B plus B bar. What you will get, you're going to get AB plus B bar. So here you will get AB plus AB bar for this part. And you can see, we still not looking over here, okay? We just look at this product term only. So you can see, oh, you still lack with C and D. You tak cukup lagi C and D. You still not yet occupy to accomplish it to be a standard. So if standard, you need to have all the variables. So see over here, again, what you're going to do from this, you need to factorize it to multiply with your C plus C bar. Because last time I forgot which section the student are doing like this, AB plus AB bar, and then it's multiply with C plus C bar. And after that, you're going to see if you do this as usual. Usually, will remind all of you to put factorize because of this. You're going to see you suddenly cannot see, oh, this one is the answer will be A, B only. Then you didn't do the standardization. So you just multiply with A, B bar C plus A, B bar C bar. You forgot about this one. So that's why anything, please carefully, although you know and you understand, okay, after this I'm going to do standardization, which is, cannot join auto, right? Supposedly you just join it without any problem. Okay, so you can see over here, because of this, A B plus A B bar, make sure you factorize it because it's refer, yeah, C plus C bar, you refer to all, going to multiply with all. That's why please make sure see carefully. Although you know, okay, I'm going to use rule number 6. So I just apply that and do it. So after that, you didn't do any factorize, you just multiply with this. This happened, okay, because last week, I forgot which student forgot about factorize. So it's just simply multiply like this. So your final answer is wrong. Until the end, the student still cannot see. All the friend like said, factorize. I also said, you still did not factorize. You check this section. The student say, oh, what is that wrong? Just is because you have, you do the silly mistake. So after that, over here, you're going to multiply with C bar. You will get A, B, C plus A, B, C bar plus A, B bar, C plus A, B bar, C bar. Still, it is not yet standardized. You're going to do D plus D bar and multiply again with 1 by 1. That's why sometimes we're going to get long because this one is just A. The A. You still not yet like doing the part. I forgot already at what example I put. So you still not yet finish this part. So from here, you need to add, and then you add another one, and then you add another one to do standardization. We look at simple example here. Okay, you were given with the product term standard SOP. You need to convert it to be a standard SOP. You have this Boolean algebra. So you get AB plus ACD. Now you're going to see that your logic can be changed to be a Boolean algebra technique. Okay, so from this part, you need to like later on convert it to be a standard. This also another example. You can going to change your to the standard. So how are you going to do? To convert product term to standard SOP, you're going to use these rules, multiply each non-standard term. So this is not non-standard, this is non-standard, this is non-standard. To be a standard SOP. How to be a standard? You're going to multiply with rules number 6. You need to repeat until all variable appear in each product term. So for this product term, you're going to multiply with C plus C bar. And then after you get the product term, you're going to multiply again with D plus D bar. You need to repeat until all variables are in your product term. Similar to this one you just multiply one time. Oh, you got until F. Too long to do. So that is the example. So here, convert this Boolean expression standard SOP form to standard SOP form. This is not standard. This is not standard because this is like with D. This one is like with C and D. This one is standard SOP form because you have A, B, C, and D. So how about the solution? You have variables A, B, C, and D. What is missing? What is missing? For term 1, you miss the D. For term 2, you miss C and D. For term 3, it is a complete. So now let's take a look one by one. For term 1 here, you can see your term 1, you have A, B bar, C. And what you're going to do, you're going to use your rules. Number 6 is already given here. What you're going to do, you're going to add D because you're still lacking with the D. And that's why you do D plus D bar. And for term 1, you're going to get like this for the standard form. So you have A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Then you finish with your term 1. Well, for term 2, you have A and B only. Well, you didn't have C and D. That's why your step will be quite long. If only refer to like term 1, you only didn't have the D. So you can see over here, first you need to do multiply with C. Then you get this SOP. After you multiply. Then you can see, oh, it is still not yet standard. That's why you're going to multiply all these term 2 with your D plus D bar. So it's going to be like this. And you convert it to be long. Okay, this you multiply with D plus D bar. This you multiply with D plus D bar. You multiply, you get A bar, B bar, C, D, like this. And then you multiply with A bar, B bar, C, D bar. So you will get this one. You repeat another one more time. A bar, B bar, C bar, D. This one. And another one, you multiply again. You get A bar, B bar, C bar, and D bar. So quite long, you can see. So from here, I can conclude one thing, which is like a logic, because this has happened last week. Some of the students are doing these standardization things, but I can see the answer is not enough. How I can say that it is not enough? Because if I like missing one variables, when I'm going to do a standardizations, I'm going to get 2. If I'm missing 1, I'm going to get another 2 because you multiply with 2. D and D bar. If I'm missing 2, I'm going to get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because you multiply with 4 things. Can see? So this is like a logic only because last time the student like missing 1. So I said without knowing the answer, when I see the step only that I can say, oh, it is not enough. How come? So you can like if you want to double check your answer, so you know, okay, if like 2, you're going to get 4. If like missing 3, you're going to get like 6 altogether. So then you can like summarize, oh, is it your answer is correct or not? So after you finish with your term 2 and term 1, you combine it together. Now you have a standard SOP. You can see you combine it together, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And another one is your A, B, C, D bar. Later, if you can see your answer is similar, you can also like using another rules, which is if let's say it's similar, if let's say you get A, B, C, D plus A, B, C, D, you can simplify to be A, B, C, D only. Okay, and any question until this example?
No, doctor.
So far, no, doctor.
Okay, thank you. Clear, right? So there is exercise over here. You need to define variables of SOP expression and convert the expression to standard SOP. This one is whether you can see is it SOP or not. If it's okay SOP, you just need to convert using your standardization way. Rules number 6. So from here, you can see you have a term 1, which is A C bar. And your term 2 will be B C bar. So you are missing, okay, this one is quite easy because you only have 3 variables. What variables? A, B, and C. So for variable 1, you are missing B plus B bar. You're missing your variable B. While for term 2, you are missing variables A. So you're going to multiply with A plus A bar because this one is 1. So you will get A, B, C bar plus A, B bar, C. While for your term 2, you're going to get A, B, C bar plus A bar, B, C bar. So now from here you can see, oh, this one is similar to this. So I can finalize my answer will be A, B, C bar plus A, B bar, C plus A bar, B, C bar. This I summarize and simplify. This one I put here, this one I put here. So this is my final standard SOP answer. Is it okay? If I'm too fast, you can stop me. So you can see also clearly one by one. Because sometimes my pace is not similar to you. Sometimes maybe you are a fast learner student. Sometimes you can say, oh, I cannot cope. So you want me to slowly mention one by one so you can just sit it, okay? So this is the solution for example number 4P.4. So what is the rules number 5? If it's similar, then you're going to simplify it. So we're going to go deeper and deeper until I think you're going to meet also your CAMAP by today. Is it? I think so, yes. Okay, now we have binary representations of SOP standard. a product equal to 1 only if all variables in term is equal to 1. What is the meaning by this? So remember, product multiplication going to be 1.1 equal to 1. So a sum equal to 1 when one or all of variables in term is equal to 1. So at least 1. So you can see, at least 1 you will get 1. At least 1 you will get 1. 1 plus 1 of course is going to be 1. This is a OR gate. So that's why you can see over here, if this product term is 1, your answer for your output will be 1. If this product also 1, but this one is 0, let's say, you get this also 1 for your output. That's why last time in your 4A module, you have learned on SOP expression. When you want to do a table, you're going to search all 1 depend on your Boolean expression, right? If this meet, then your output will be 1. If this meet, your output will be 1 because of this, which is at least, let's say for example here you have A1, B1, C0. And this one is what? A0, B1, C0, isn't it? So I already mentioned if there is a bar, it is going to be 0. So if this is true, then you get 1 for your output. Or if this is true, you will get 1 for your output. So SOP, you're going to have product. You add all together, and inside this product, you can have variable 1, variables 2, variable 3, or maybe you have only 1 variables. You have 2 variables. It depends. So determine the binary value for which of the following standard SOP expression is equal to 1. So from here you have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So if at this input, you're going to get 1 for your output. If at this input, you get 1 for your output. If at this input, you're going to get 1 for your output. This one is input, this is output. So why? Because there is a student ask me, Doktor, this one kan AND gate. AND gate kan kena satu, satu, satu. If satu, satu baru dapat satu. But kenapa your output will be 1? So there is a student ask me like that. Okay, so for here, if you still remember your previous slide, you have the input and also output. Your input will be A, B, C, D. So to speed up, we're going to have over here is 1, 1, 1, 1. This one is 0, 0, 0, 0. And another one is 1, 0, 0, 1. The rest will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Only at this and this and another one, this you will get 1 for your output. Why? Because it is all. If this is true, then you will get 1. If this is true, this will get 1. This true is going to get 1. So this is what the meaning by this. You can see the term A, B, C, D is equal to 1 when A is 1, B is 1, C is 1, D is 1. Then if you multiply it together, you will get 1. While for the term A, B bar, C bar, D is equal to 1 when A equal to 1, B equal to 0, C equal to 0, D equal to 1. So you can see, if you convert, okay, this one. When A equal to 1, B equal to 0, because this is a bar. C equal to 0, because it is bar. And D equal to 1. You have here A is 1, B is 0, which is bar, right? 0 again C, and then it's 1 equal to this one, you bar and bar. This one is referred to the value. You can see C is the value of 0. And in terms of the term, going to bar bar, that's why you will get 1, 1. I think if me myself, I'm going to also confuse. But I stick with my mind. If it is bar, it's going to be 0, 0, and you will get 1 for your output. But over here, it shows yours that first time when you have this value for your input, when you have this bar bar, I draw the table, okay? A, B, C, D, and then you have output. For this condition, you have 1, 0, 0, 1. B is 0, C is 0, D is 1. And you don't know yet. So if let's say you take this input, and you have the term of this A, B bar, C bar, D, right? You pick all this value and put inside. The value of A is 1. The value of B is 0. You put bar. The value of C is 0. You put bar, and D is 1. Because of this term. At this point of your input, then you're going to see A, D is 1. You will get 1, 0 over bar, you get 1, 0 over bar, you get 1, and then 1. That's why your F is 1. Okay, I give you another example. Let's say you didn't have all this, okay? You get A, B, C, D equal to 0, 0, 1, 1. And then you have F. What is F? Let's say you have 0, 0, 1, 1. You compare with your term A, B bar, C bar, D. Okay, you put over here, okay? Then you have A is 0, B is 0 bar, C is 1 bar, and D is 1. By using the N, going to see you are the 0, this one you will get 0, 1, 1, 1. Still you're going to get 0 because of this part. Let's say you have 0, 1, 1. Yang tadi tu kan? Tadi is 0, 0, 0 eh? 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, the similar input. The similar input you put at this term 1. You have 0, 0, 1, 1. Of course, you get 0. You put inside here, you will get 0, 0 bar, 1 bar, 1. You will get 0, 1, 0, 1. So you will get 0 for N. And this you apply here. You're going to have 0 bar, 0 bar, 1 bar, 1 bar. You will get 1, 1, 0, 0. If you multiply it all, you're going to get 0. So for this input, your output will be 0. You check one by one. So let's say I give you F equal to A, B, C plus A, B bar C plus A bar B, C bar. Okay. If you directly know, you're going to get your output for your F equal to A, B, C. You're going to get when A is 1, 1, 1, 1, you will get, okay, let me draw the correct table. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, from here, you have know directly that A, B, C will be get 1. This one also I know when, what, and what. But I want you to see in terms of this example. I check one by one, okay? 0, 0, 0. I try to put inside. A is 0, B is 0, C is 0. Can I get 1? No, because this is n. So I will get 0. So I cannot get the output of 0. The output of 1. So another one, I apply this similar, which is 0, 0, 0. I put here, I will get 0, 0 bar, 0. Still, I will get 0 because I need to have 0111. I apply the similar input to this term, 3 term, third term, term 1, term 2, term 3, 0 bar, 0, 0 bar. I get 101. So still, if I'm using the AND gate, because this is multiplication, I get 0. That's why my output will be 0. I check another one. 0, 0, 1. I apply to term first. Term 1, 0, 0, 1. Oh, this is 0. 0, 0 bar, 1. So I will get 1, 1, 1. No, still 0. So for this part, I'm going to get 0 bar, 0, and then 1 bar. So 1, 0, 0. So I'm going to get 0. I go for another. The third one, I'm going to get 0, 1, 0. Let me apply here, 0, 1, 0. I get 0. Over here, I will get 0, 1 bar, 0. I will get 0, 0, 0. So 0 again. And this one, I will get 0 bar, 1, 0 bar. So I will get 1, 1, 1. Oh, it's mid term 3. So that's why I get 1 over here. Because this one, I get 1 plus this one is 0. And then this one is 0. My F still 1. So that's why I get 1 here. Next, I check another one. I check 0, 1, 1. So I apply to this term 1 first, 0, 1, 1. Cannot, I get 0 plus 0, 1, 1. So I still dapat 0. And I add another one, 0 bar, 1, 1 bar. So I will get 1, 1, 0. So I get 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0. F is 0. So I check another input. Oops. I check another input. This one is what? This right. So I have 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. This one is 0. Dot, dot. Plus 1, 0 bar, 0. I get also 0. And 1 bar, 0, 0 bar. I will get 0, 0, 1. So it's still 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, I get 0. Now my another input. The input is 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. I check here, it's going to be 0. And I apply here, adding with 1, 0 bar, 1. So I get 1, 1, 1. Oh, it's correct. I'm going to get 1. And then plus with 1, 0, 1 bar, bar. I will get 0, 0, 0. So here is 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0, I get 1. So I go for another input. I go for another input. I'm going to put 1, 1, 0. Here is 0 because you multiply, you get 0. Plus with 1, 1 bar 0, you will get 1, 0, 0. Your answer will be 0. And another one is 1 bar 1, 0 bar. You get 0, 1, 1. Answer will be 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, the answer will be 0. And last input. Your last input will be A is 1, B is 1, C is 1, dot, dot, you get 1. A is 1, B is 1, bar, C is 1. You will get 1, 0, 1. It's going to be 0. A is 1 bar, B is 1, C is 1 bar. And then you get 0, 1, 0. Your answer will be 0. F equal to 1 plus 0 plus 0, you will get 1. So this is the example if you do one by one manually. How to check? This is a manual way for you to check. But last time in your previous subtopic, you already looked into direct, which is if you have F equal to A, B, C, D plus A, B bar, C bar, D plus A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. So you look into the bar over here. If there is no bar, it's going to get 1, 1, 1, 1. Whenever you have this input, your output will be 1. Over here, you have 1, 0, 0, 1 because this is 0. If you have bar, it is going to be 0. So whenever you have this input, your output will be 1. And for this, going to be 0, 0, 0, 0. So whenever your output is 0, 0, 0, your output will be 1. You directly draw your truth table. So the SOP expression equal to 1 when any or all the three product is term 1. So any question from this manual one by one?
No, doctor.
Okay, thank you. So that's why I shows you in terms of one by one to check your answer. So from the standard SOP, it is easily to generate the truth table. So that's why you need to change to the standard SOP. If you were given with non-standard SOP, that's you cannot get the truth table. So that's why you need to change to the SOP standard SOP first. Let's say you were given with F equal to AB plus ABC. This one is not standard. So how are you going to get the standard? How are you going to get your output for your truth table? So you need to change to the standard SOP first. So from here, this one is just now. So this is the truth table. You can see where your output get 1. Only using the standard SOP, check the input value. So that's why it is come up for this part, which is when you apply the value one by one. Just now I shows you. Next, after we have done with our SOP, we're going to look into our POS. For our POS, you can see a standard POS form where all the variables appear in each product terms. You can see, this one is rules. Last time you learned on standard SOP. Now you need to know how to standardize your POS using two rules. One is using the rules number 8, a dot a bar equal to 0. And another one is why you need to get 0, because you adding, okay? Now it's adding. If you add with 1, your answer for your value for any numbers here will be affected. When it affect your value, you're going to change your Boolean expression. That's why you're going to add with 0, which is nothing happen basically. You just add your variables without changing the magnitude value. After you apply your rules number 8, you're going to apply rules number 12, which is having a plus bc equal to a plus b factorized with factorize a plus c. You need to repeat until all the variables appear in each of your sum term. Let's check the example given. So there is a 3 terms. There is 3 terms here. Term 1, term 2, and then term 3. So you know already all the term need to be complete having A, B, C, D. Because you have A, B, C, and D. 4 inputs. Term 1 are missing D. Term 2 are missing A. Term 3 is complete. So for you to get input D, what you need to do, you're going to apply the rules number 8. So let's say I have here A plus B bar plus C. I'm going to, I'm going to multiply, not multiply, add with our B and D dot D bar. Why D dot D bar? Because D dot B bar equal to 0. So I'm going to get adding here. I'm going to add with D dot D bar. Then you apply a similar things at this B bar C. We look here, okay, one by one. Term 1, you're going to add with D dot D bar. And then we have another term 2. After we adding, we're going to get like this. Apply rules number 12. And term 2, you add another A dot A bar. So you apply rules number 12. You're going to get the factorize. Let's check this one. Rules number 12. For this part, you're going to see if you have, this is you assume to be A. This is you assume to be B dot C. This is A, equivalent to A plus B bar plus C. This is B, which is your D, and C is your D bar. When you use rules number 12, you will get like this. So you just change the value of A. A will be A plus B bar plus C. And then you plus with B. What is your B? Your B is D. And you multiply with A. What is your A? A plus B bar plus C. And plus with your C. What is your C? Your C is D bar. And this is your POS. You can see. This is one variable, one variable, one variable. You add all together, which is sum term. You multiply with another sum term. Done for that part for your term 1. For term 2, you're going to see you do similar things, but you're going to add with A dot A bar. A dot A bar, okay? So because you add here, you can see, you add with your A dot A bar. This whole thing will be equivalent to your A. A will be your B. A bar will be your C to meet the requirement of your rules number 12. So you're going to get your POS value, which A. A, you repeat again, you're going to get B bar plus C plus D bar. You finish with your A, you meet the add with your B. What is my B? B is my A. And then you're going to factorize multiplication. A. A is what? B bar plus C plus D bar. And then you have plus with your C. What is your C now? C is A bar. This is your answer. So this one in terms of proper looks. So you put A in front only. But it is a correct answer. And lastly, you have another one is term 4. And you combine all the term, you're going to get A plus B bar plus C plus D. Okay, this one is not similar. Okay, you have this one. And A plus B bar plus C plus D bar. Okay, this part is similar to here. So you will remove one. So you combine it together. You get 1. And just repeat similar things. You can like remove, you get only 1. And this you bring here, and this is your term 3. So this is how you're going to get your standard POS. Okay, you have another example. Convert the following expression to the standard POS. You have sum 1, sum 2. Term 1 equal to A plus B. What you are missing here is plus with C dot C bar. Because this one is AB only, you have another C. For your sum 2, you're going to have B bar plus C. That's why you're going to add with A dot A bar. You're going to use your rules number 12. Rules number 12 for your term 1, you're going to get A plus B plus C. And then A plus B plus C bar. For this part, you will get B bar plus C plus A, B bar plus C plus A bar. If you still don't know how to get this, please refer back to this example. I already showed you like this. This will be equivalent to A plus, this is plus equivalent to your B and also C. And of course, you're going to convert A. This is all your A here. This is your B. And this is all your A here. And this is your C. Similar to this slide, which is much more simpler because you only have A, B, C if compared to previous example A, B, C, and D. Okay, if you still remember last time, I already mentioned you're not going to only look into your truth table f equal to 1. If you still remember, right? I did mention sometime you're going to look into 0. So here, under our POS, POS will be sum with your variable sum, which is this is your sum of additions, adding of your sum, and then you're going to multiply. It should be going to be a 0, equal to 0. So now you have product equal to 0 only if one or more of the sum is equal to 0. If only you get 1, you will get a 0. This one is addition. I guess supposedly it's going to be multiplication. 0 multiplied with 0 equal to 0. 0 multiplied with 1 equal to 0. 1 multiplied with 0, you will get 0. And 1 multiplied with 1, you get 1. That's why you're going to look into this part. Sum equal to 1 when 1 is all variables in terms of equivalent to 1. So in addition here, inside here, if you add at least 1, will get 1, then you will get 1. And for the rest, you can see also if you add any of this is 1, you will get also 1. But we're going to look into 0 for our POS. This is really making you confused because last time for your SOP, where is your SOP? Okay, your SOP is referring to sum. But supposedly over here for your POS is referred to multiplication. That's why I showed you the table of multiplication. But it's okay. You're going to look into the example here. So, determine the binary value for which following standard POS express is equal to 0. Each one is going to show you and refer to cat 0. So here, similar to your SOP, if you have A is equal to 1. If you have A bar is equal to 0. Okay, now you have, Alhamdulillah. You have, here is 1, 1, 1, 1. This one will be 1, 1, 0, 0. Here will be 1, 1, 0, 0. What it shows is different. Okay, this one, vice versa, you can see, POS express it equal to 0. For this, let's say example number 1, your solution. If you have A, B, C, D, you're going to vice versa with your SOP. Your A will be 0, your B will be 0, your C will be 0, your D will be 0. Last time for your SOP, if A is equal to 1. For your POS, your A will be 0. For your SOP, your A bar will be 0. For your POS, your A bar will be 1. Now you have 0, 0, 0, 0. You will get a 0. Because, why? Because we want to look into the output of 0. For your POS, we're going to look into output of 1. So it's easy for us to like draw the truth table. Here will be 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So for this input, for this input, for this input, your output will be 0. So let's take a look the truth table. Ada tak truth table kat sini? Okay. So for the truth table, you can see this is 0 whenever you have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then you will get 0, 0, and 0. The rest will be 1. Let's take a look if you apply 1 by 1. If you apply the input 1 by 1, you're going to have like A is 0 plus B is 0 plus C is 0 plus D is 0. You will get 0. Let's say I apply this input, similar input to term number 2. I apply A is 0, B is 0, but there is a B bar. C is 0, but C bar. And my D will be 0. Then you're going to get 0, 1, 1, 0. Adding, 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 you get 1 for your output. So that's why you cannot get. You want to your F equal to 0, similar to your SOP things. So you apply this one. Is it meet the conditions to get 0 or not? This one, right? So you apply 0 bar, 0 bar, 0 bar, 0 bar, you get 1, 1, 1, 1. So you can see you're going to have, this one is 0. You will get 1. Adding, adding, adding. So all together, what happened? Okay, just now you have 0, 0, 0, 0, okay? 0, 0, 0, 0, adding, adding, adding. You will get 0 multiply with 1. The one that we fill in, right? Another one is multiply with 1. 0 multiply with 1, multiply with 1. What you get? Equal to 0. Second, I give you another example. F equal to 0, 0, 0, 1. For this condition, okay, I put at all the term. I have 0, 0, 0, 1 for my A, B, C, D. So over here, I'm going to get 1. And I multiply with 0, 0 bar, 0 bar, 1. I'm going to get 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. 0, 0. Oh, sorry, plus. And then I have plus with 1. So what answer? My answer will be 1. I put this to another scenario. I have 0 bar, 0 bar, 0 bar, 1 bar. What I'm going to get? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. So I'm going to get 1. 1 multiply with 1 multiply with 1. I'm going to get 1. So I put 1 by 1 manually to the term. I'm going to add, add, add. And then I'm going to multiply the answer. So that's why in a short and fast track term, whenever I have A equals 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 0, D equal to 0, I'm going to get 0. A equal to 0, B equal to 1, C equal to 1, D equal to 0, I'm going to get 0. And A, B, C, D equal to all 1, I'm going to get 0 for my POS output. So that is how you can speed up and fasten your drawing. draw your what? Truth table. From given POS or SOP, you can directly get the truth table by using these things directly. But instead, if you want to go one by one, you fill in the value, you fill in the value, you fill in the value, you check. After you get the value, let's say, and then you multiply 0, 0, 0, 0, let's say, and then you have multiply, which is 0 bar, 0 bar, 0 bar, 0 bar. What your answer will be? So your answer will be like f equal to 0 multiply with 1, what 1, then you get 0. So you check one by one, then you can also get the truth table. But in the fast track way, you can also, you need to remember SOP A equal to 1, A bar equal to 0. And your output will be 1. But for your POS, A equal to 0, A bar equal to 1, your output will be 0. So you need to remember this one in terms of given Boolean expression. Directly from your Boolean expression, you know the truth table. Next, our representations of Boolean expression. So there is a several way. As mentioned, programmer is very lazy. We want everything shortcut, similar to our new generations like you. Bahasa-bahasa WeChat, bahasa-bahasa short form yang I also don't know basically. Short form too many. Similar also with our Boolean expression. Instead of we draw a long F equal to A, B, C, D, E, F plus A, B, C, D bar F, too long to represent, we're going to also have a shortcut using a several way of representations. Instead of long Boolean expression, we want to use sigma notation. So by using a sigma notation, you have seized this example. What meaning by this? So example number 1, this is for your SOP. SOP going to use sigma. POS going to use pi notification. So no need for me to mention. Okay, if you see it directly, sigma, okay, this will be POS, SOP. If you see pi, you know it is a POS. So you need to know and differentiate between these two notification. Okay, example here, how to look and read, how to read and understand the notification. If let's say you were given with this, first thing you know, okay, this will be sigma and this will be SOP. That is first thing that you need to know. Second, you're going to look into variables. What variables that available? Oh, it mentions that you're going to have variable A, B, and C. And what is this meaning? At 2, 5, and 7, your output will be 1. What is 2? What is 5? What is 7? 2 in decimal. You change to binary, you're going to get 0, 1, 0. 5 in binary, you're going to get 5 in decimal. You're going to get 1, 0, 1 in binary. 7 in decimal. You convert to binary, you get 1, 1, 1. What is meaning all? It's going to be A, B, and C. And remember, as I already mentioned, A equal to 1 for your SOP. A bar equal to 0 for your SOP. And your output will be 1. While for your POS, it's different. A will be 0, A bar will be 1, and your output will be 0. So let's take a look first for your sigma over here. You have 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0 for 2. 5 will be 1, 0, 1. 7 will be 1, 1, 1. A, B, C. How to represent this? You're going to get A bar, B, C bar for this. Second, you will get A, B bar, C. Third, going to get A, B, C. And this is your output. Your output X here. Well, you can also have over here for your POS. POS will be your pi notification, file notation. First of all, similar to your SOP, what you need to know is what expression for your Boolean. It is going to be POS. Okay, now you know it is for POS. Second, you need to know, okay, how many variables? You have 3 variables, A, B, and C. Third, you need to see this and convert to binary. From decimal to binary, you're going to get 0, 0, 1. This one is 0, 4, right? 1, 0, 0. And this will be 1, 1, 0. If okay, if you have pi A, B, C, D, you have 4 input. You're going to put 1, 2, 4, 6. Let's say this similar example, but your binary will be 0, 0, 0, 1. Bukan it is not going to be you put 0 at the back. No, you need to put 0 in front. So for 4 here, it's slightly different. You're going to get 1, 0, 0, 0. Here, 1, 1. Oh, sorry. I put 0 in front. This one is 0, 1, 0, 0. 6 will be 0, 1, 1, 0. This is your A, B, C, D. This is your A, B, C. So after you know how your binary answer, you're going to represent it to be in your POS. How to represent? You're going to see 0 will be A. 0 will be B. 1 will be C bar. So how are we going to represent it? You're going to get, for the first, A plus B plus C bar. Factorize, multiply. You have second, A bar plus B plus C. And the third will be A bar plus B bar plus C. Why? Because it's referred to this one. Okay, any question? Hello? Hello?
So far, so clear, madam.
No question.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why please remember the things. SOP and POS, what will happen? Okay, let's say we have another example here. Instead of you were given with the notations, you were given with the Boolean expression how to convert. Okay, so you need to know how by versa, okay, how to convert to each other. In this example exercise here, you were given with the Boolean expression you were given represent the following Boolean expression as a sigma notation, and another one is pi notation, because you know already, okay, this one is POS, this one is SOP. So from here you have our first question. A B C bar plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar. Remember back our SOP. SOP, A will be 1, A bar will be 0. Now I put my value here. This one will be 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 0, 1, 0. I convert my binary to decimal. This will be 2. This will be 4. This will be 6. So when I use sigma notation, I put A, B, C because I have these three variables, and I'm going to put 2, 4, 6. Then done. Okay. It is basically similar. And another one is second. Second will be your POS. Please remember our POS. A will be 0, A bar will be 1. So that's why I'm going to convert it to be A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C bar, A plus B bar plus C, A bar plus B plus C. Okay, from here I'm going to have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So I convert to my decimal. I'm going to get 0, 1, 2, and 4. So my pi representation, I have A, B, C, and it will be 0, 1, 2, 4. So that is my answer. Very easy, and mostly this easy question will be under part A. So you're going to have your test 2, upcoming test 2. So mostly like this simple question is going to be on your part A. Okay, if you think that your test 1 is hard, I can guarantee, maybe I can say, if you think test 1 is hard, your test 2 maybe like triples much harder than your test 1. So please make sure directly you understand in class. Don't just, okay lah, it's okay lah, takkanlah malu lah, seorang je yang tak faham ni, takkan nak tanya dekat lecturer, nak suruh repeat lagi. After I finish with this class, maybe I'm going to check the recording. So that is not the good way for you to learn. Directly understand in class. If you did not understand, just ask your lecturer directly. Tak perlu tunggu-tunggu, tak perlu nak tangguh until tomorrow or maybe before your test. Okay, so because upcoming there is a lot of others things that you need to cope with, to memorize with. So please directly ask me if you did not understand, or maybe after our class finish you like very shy to ask in class, you can like wait and then ask me a question. Mostly some of your friend are doing like that. So this is the answer. You can take a look into another example here. Okay, this one is from the notification. You need to come out with your Boolean expression. So here you have sigma. You know it is SOP. And you have three variables, A, B, C. And here you have 7, 4, and 3. 7 binary will be 111. 4 will be 100. And 3 will be 011. And from here, you just convert the value. You get A, B, C. A, B bar, C bar. A bar, B, C. And you add with each other. And this is your final answer. For this pi, you can see this is your pi. Pi will be your POS. Remember, A bar equal to 1, A equal to 0. You have 111, 100, 011, which is similar, I guess. And because of this, you're going to have A bar plus B bar plus C bar, because this is a POS. This one is A bar plus B plus C. Oops. And this will be your 1 plus B bar plus A plus B bar plus C bar. Because of this is a POS. So you will get this answer. Any question? We're going to try to speed up for our converting standard of Boolean expression, SOP to POS, POS to SOP. So for this table, standard SOP and standard POS. Value, binary value, if let's say it is X. If X is here, then X is not here. If X is not here, then X is here. I don't understand. It's better for me because I'm not going to read. You can try to read and try to understand, but in terms of step, I can show you step by step. Step number 1, blah, 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 blah. Step number 2, 3, and let's take a look into the conversion. Convert the following SOP expression to equivalent of POS. How are you going to convert? Okay, if you were given this Boolean expression, you know, okay, this one is SOP. So how are you going to convert to POS? So step by step solution. You can see what variables that you have. You have variable A, B, and C. All together, 3 variables. So, of course, you're going to have 8 possibilities for combination. This one, your truth table. And what is the value for your SOP? You're going to have 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So, if I have truth table, I kena lukis lagi pula dah. I have truth table. For my SOP, okay, I have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, from this truth table, I can directly get the answer for my 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, I get 1. 0, 0, 0, I get 1. 0, 1, 0, I get 1. 0, 1, 1, I get 1. 1, 0, 1 and get 1. The rest will be 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see this will be my POS. This will be my POS. This will be my POS. Why? Because just now I looked into output of 0 for my POS. Next, what you going to do? Alamak, dia ada table sendiri. Okay, that's why you will have this, this. This one is, okay, this one will be your POS. The rest will be 1, right? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 for this SOP. So what is this? This will be your POS, which is A equal to 0, A bar equal to 1. So value of 0, 0, 1. What you will get for your POS? POS will be A plus B plus C bar. The value of 1, 0, 0. What you will get? B bar plus C bar. And this one is what? 1, 0, 0. Terbalik lah. 1 will be A bar. And lastly is 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. All will be A plus B plus mana yang I tengok ni? 1, 1, 0. C. So this is my POS. Your answer will be this one. So this is your SOP. You were given with your SOP. Convert the following SOP to equivalent POS expression, which means for this table, it's true for your SOP and it's true for your POS. You can see this is the POS, this is your SOP. How to see your POS is the output of 0. How to check your SOP? The output is 1. So you can see convert the following SOP expression to POS expression. So you'll be given this one. Because you can see you have A, C plus B, C. It's going to take quite long because you need to convert to standard version first. But it is not too long because it is only 3 variables. So let me see A C bar plus B C bar. First thing, this is not standard yet. First thing you know this is SOP, but it is not standard. So I'm going to make it standard. AC bar, I multiply with B plus B bar. While for my BC bar, I'm going to multiply with A plus A bar. Here I will get ABC plus A plus A, B bar, C bar. And over here, I'm going to get A, B, C bar plus A bar, B, C bar. And my answer will be altogether, my answer will be A, B, C bar plus A, B bar, C bar plus A bar, B, C. Okay, this is my SOP. It asks me to convert to POS. From here, I'm going to get 1, 1, 0. What else? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Because this is SOP A equal to 0. A equal to 1, A bar equal to 0. This is my value. The rest, this output will be 1. The rest will be 0. So 0 I'm going to put to my SOP. What is the value? I have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now from here, this one, I'm going to get 1. This one, I'm going to get 1. This one, I'm going to get 1. The rest will be 0, 0, 0. For this 0, 0, 0, what I'm going to get for my POS, POS A equal to 0, A bar equal to 1. 0, 0, 0, I'm going to get A plus B plus C. Here, I'm going to get A plus B plus C bar. Here, I'm going to get A plus B bar plus C bar. Here, I'm going to get A bar plus B plus C bar. And last one, my 1, 1, 1, 1, I'm going to get A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So this is my POS. Let's take a look into the proper way given in your slide. Okay, it shows you 3 combination, right? And there is another 5 combination that getting 0, 0, 0. Equivalent sum term for each binary number. So this is your final answer. Any question?
No,
No,
doctor.
doctor.
Okay, thank you. And this is how you're going to represent Boolean expression to your truth table. This one is we also already cover. You can see 0. Determine the value of combinations of binary, which is input. Convert to standard, whether it is SOP or POS. For SOP, your product will be 1. For your POS, it's going to be 0. And the reminder, if you are having SOP, the reminder will be 0. For POS, the reminder will be 1. Fill in the truth table. This one is step by step. I already shows you. This is SOP. You know it's going to be SOP. Your output will be 1 for this scenario, which is 0, 0, 1, 0. Sorry. Oops. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. For this, we'll 1, we get 1, we get 1. 0, 1, 1, 1. The rest will be 0. So the rest will be your POS because it is a 0. What binary value make them 1 is already mentioned. Fill the truth table. Now from the truth table, you can develop the POS expression. So from here, please remember for POS, A equal to 0, A bar equal to 1. That's why you can see over here, you have A, B, C, 0, 0, 0. You have A plus B plus C. For this one, A is 0, B is 1, C is 0, you will get A plus B bar plus C. So altogether, you will get this Boolean expression for your POS. So there is another example. Please try to do so. First, see whether it is SOP or POS. How many variables you have to do the standardization from this, and then you're going to do F equal to what? Is it 1 or 0? If it is SOP, it's going to be 1. If it is POS, it's going to fill it with a 0. And the rest, you're going to fill in vice versa things similar to this part. And you can see determine standard expression from two table. So last time we can see from this Boolean expression, you express to the truth table. But when you were given only with the truth table, how to express your Boolean expression. So from here, let's say it is a SOP, how you're going to convert to your Boolean expression. If let's say for POS, how to convert to Boolean expression. So you need to remember the rules. For SOP, A equal to 0, A bar equal to 1. For POS, A bar equal to 1, A equal to 0. So that's why you can see 1 will be A bar. 0 will be B. 0 will be C. And lastly, 1 will be D bar. So this is how you represent your value. To check one by one, you can see you will get the answer. This one, we also already take a look into one by one value. So you can see step by step how to get. And there is exercise for you. From the truth table, determine the standard SOP and also standard POS. You are given this truth table. You can see. So you can start with any preferred. Maybe you are familiar with POS, or maybe you are like to use SOP. For me myself, I'm going to pick like SOP. So from here, I have this is for my SOP. This is for my SOP. This is from my SOP. Okay, I have, let me take it out. I'm going to get A bar BC plus A B bar C bar plus A B C bar plus A B C. Okay, this is my SOP. SOP expression done. Now I got another, I want to express with my POS. This is my POS. And this is my POS. What is for? Okay, POS will be A equal to 0, A bar equal to 1. So this will be A plus B plus C. And this one will be A plus B plus C bar. Wait, there is a lecturer calling me. Hello? Salam, ya? Ada kelas. Kenapa? Tak apa, kenapa? Kenapa? Berapa banyak grand industry yang baru dapat ni? Yang baru dapat ni satu. Yang sebelum ni tak ingat dah. Tapi total saya ada 5 grant. uh, 5 grant, 1 ER grant, 1 my brain, 1 collaborative grant, 2 DTD grant. Yang 2 ni saya kena check balik. Collaborative dengan DTD. Hmm? Hmm? Maksudnya nak beritahu tarikh, nama grant macam tu lah. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, okay, okay. Hmm. Boleh, boleh. Okay. Boleh? Okay, terima kasih. Okay. Oh. Hello, sorry. Okay, now we have another one, POS. From here, just now I until here only, right? So I have like, this will be my A plus B, B bar plus C. And lastly, I'm going to have my A bar plus B plus C bar. Ya Allah. Okay, this is my POS. This is my SOP. Just from, I convert it only from my truth table here. It is like direct convert. This is easy for me to get. Any question from this? This is the solution. You can try to go one by one. But I do believe that most of you like very master, you tengok je, you can convert it. You just look and then you can direct convert. Similar to POS also. Please try to do many exercise. And I just want to inform all of you who are going to do their test too. Me, Miss Marina, and Dr. Ismail. So I think you heard about Miss Marina before. That's why I mentioned your test 2 will be like triple harder if you compare to your test 1. So please make sure you carefully understand every single things, and your part B, I think you're going to like write in your piece of paper and then you need to upload it into your e-learning. So it took time. Sometimes if you have problem with your internet, it's going to be also a problem later on. So I hope that if you have any problem using your e-learning or internet connectivity before, like maybe 10 or 15 minutes before submitted, because we're going to give you like 50 minutes only to upload, okay? Only to upload, not extra 15 minutes for you to answer again or check your answer again and again, and you just occupy 5 minutes for upload. This will be having a problem. Believe me, if you do and copy and follow your senior like what repetition problem, so you're going to get the similar things what your senior do. So there will be a care map. Last time I always said about care map, which is this is the answer or solution for you to find out what is the simplest version for your Boolean expression. You're going to learn on your care map, but it's not going to be today because we already like until on another 4 minutes only to go. So it's okay for you, it's better for you to continue it for tomorrow. Then you can like having many maybe question later on. Before tomorrow class, maybe it's better for you to read also. Any question? If there is no,
Doctor, I have a
yes.
question.
Hmm?
May I know, um, I just wondering, because I rasa macam it's quite hard for me to study sebab
Hmm.
the textbook dengan context from slide macam quite different. So macam boleh ke kalau I nak slide juga?
Okay. I think I forgot whether I already like explained here or not. Okay. It is not from it is not from me. I also like kejap off record. I also like really not